Good morning. Happy Valentine's Day. Oh my goodness, I am so excited. I have such a fun day planned today. It's a little day trip to San Diego. We're going to Planter Paradise in Cajon to do a little container shopping, and we're going to Waterwise Botanical for a workshop. I'm going to make a succulent heart-shaped wreath. So let's hit the road. First, a little sustenance. I have not had McDonald's in ages, but it just seems so right for a day trip. All right, we've got, let's see, I'm gonna turn you around. Can I turn you around? No, I can't turn you around. Okay, now I turned you around. We've got an hour and a half drive. So it's time to just relax, turn on my audiobook, and enjoy the drive. I'll see you at Planter Paradise.
Then keep right onto Chase Avenue toward Boulevard Place.
Because when we were at the gallery that day, I thought I was the one who was hitting on Lila. The crowd laughs.
The destination is on your left. Planter Paradise.
So many containers. So like this big turquoise pot is $100. Low bowls. Okay. Wow, they're huge and they're 50% off. Okay, now we're talking. And they're about $179, so 50% off of that. That's awesome. That's a possibility. Statuary. That's cute. Oh my. No thank you. Cute little concrete bench. Off all concrete benches. Like this one. It's $169. A little traditional for me though. I wanted something a little bit more low bowl. Oh, kind of like that one up there. That's the size and shape I was going for. There, and a lighter color, I think. That's really pretty too. Beautiful trough. It's huge for $189. Look at that. 50% off. authentic wine barrels for $50. Got this style too, if that's your thing. Clean line terracotta. Huge too. This one is $79. It's 18 by 17. This one's $99. 21 by 20. Roll rim. And the lighter one. These pots, ceramic, they look like wood. Tall ones too. Such a glare. Tons of Talavera. Look at this cool plant stand. I love it. Absolutely love it. Pot feet. That's pretty neat. Cool. Oh my God, I'm so excited. I found exactly what I was looking for. All right, I will show you guys later. I gotta pay 50% off. Awesome. Where?
Turn left, then the destination is on your left.
This is Waterwise Botanicals. It is so pretty here. I'm running late from my workshop. That's my part 2 of my day tripping Valentine's special. I'll give you a look in a bit. I am here for my workshop. Heart-shaped wreath. Something wreath. Here is the model. Okay. Let's see. It's beautiful.
So what you're gonna do is you're gonna find the piece that you want as like your center, where all of your like eyes are gonna go directly to. So I normally put that either here or right here.
Okay.
And to put them in, for the ones like this, you want to take all of the soil off of the bottom and get just the stem cleared off. If you take off all the roots, that is honestly better, because it'll be easier. And then I use my chopstick and make a little hole right like so. And then I take my plant, make sure it has a little bit of stem, stick it right into the hole. And then to secure it, oh, the water! Oh my goodness! Okay, and then, okay, so to secure it, I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna find the stem that I put in there. Where is it? Where'd it go? And I'm gonna stick it right in there and make sure it is held in place.
Do you secure each cutting?
Not all of them, but the ones that have like this smooth stem, they don't like to stick in very well.
They slide out a little
Yeah,
easy.
they slide out. There's no friction holding them. These ones are a little bit better because their stems are kind of fuzzy, so they don't necessarily need it.
Okay.
But for these ones, I do recommend it. And if you pack them in really tight, then they will hold each other in place. Yeah.
Okay.
Like,
Okay.
these ones. Most of these, I don't think these have the staples in them.
Okay.
But because they're so tightly packed in there, they will not come out.
Okay. All right. Awesome. Thank you. Of course. All right, let's get started on our little project, our wreath. Just want to show you what my view looks like right now. It's so pretty. It's a little distracting. My little wreath. This is my view. It's just beautiful.
Sticking it right through it keeps it in there so it
All right, let's get started on our project. These are all my beautiful cuttings.
Well, unless it's Edward. I'm sorry, I interrupted you. Is it for all of you or just what is it?
I would highly recommend an
Should have brought some coffee to this, huh? Yes. Next time.
I wish I had stopped for lunch before this.
Oh, well, that would be interesting. For sure.
You know, usually on Saturdays during the monthly thing, there's so many vendors out.
Yeah, it's crazy. That was
I've been doing that for years
I've been away.
on those Saturdays, yeah. Some of the plants are this big now.
oh wow.
I actually take some pictures. Yeah. You get them, you know, they're like this.
I know. I still have. I have a collection of them from the like past 5 years that I started to play in the pots. So
Really?
That was mine. I need that.
I have a did you say Proteus? I have a Proteus plant. No. And I got it like this. There's a guy that's
Nice.
in Fallbrook that has a whole farm, sells them. And that's what he does.
Coming
for a living.
along
So
nicely.
probably 5 years ago, about this big. Now it's like 8 feet tall.
I'll give you progress reports.
We worked on it a little bit.
A little update.
and like I said to them too, when they start growing out, if you want to prune them,
And just like that, my heart is complete. It is full. The iconic hill. Look at that. Isn't that so striking? I'm in the Mangave section. Oh, look at the Thunbergia. Those climbing black eye Susans. Oh my gosh. These trees are so cool looking. Oh, and the trumpet vines. Gosh, I think I need one of these. Aren't these blue trees interesting? It's not pokey. The color is beautiful. The shape and form is gorgeous. I don't know what this is, but the color is stunning. It looks so good next to that blue. So much to see. Okay, my friends, this is where I leave you. I need to get my shopping on before Waterwise Botanicals closes, and I can't wait to show you my whole haul from today on the next video. Or maybe I'll do a PS if I get home and there's still a little daylight. All right, but for now, have a wonderful Valentine's Day, and thank you so much for spending the day with me. We'll see you in the next one. Bye, friends.